Alright, sorry about the shaky camera, it's in my hand here. We'll take a look at the controller for the 24 volt motor, for the wheelchair motor, for the gate trainer. So this little box over here, this is, if we can get it in focus there a little bit, that's the speed control and on-off switch. I just built this today and that should work. It's on a kind of a long tether here, and then it connects to this box over here, which has the board that I purchased from this company in the UK, and that board ultimately sits in a little box and has a heat sink that I'm putting on top there that screws to the board. And then it's got the wire going obviously to the controller that I mentioned. Then it's got the 4 wires that we're looking at right now. The red one and the black one are from the battery, so plus and minus from 24 volt battery. The yellow one and the blue one go to your motor. The yellow is positive to the motor, the blue is negative to the motor. And so just to show how this thing works, instead of a motor, since I don't have a 24 volt motor, I've got an oscilloscope here hooked up, acting like it's the motor. So let's go over to the little control box, turn the power on, and let's turn the speed up a little bit, and we'll see what happens on the display. So here's with the speed off, flat line on the display. And as I turn this thing up, you can see a little bit of pulsing and pulse width modulation look here on the scope. And as I turn it up even more, it'll fill up a little bit. And you'll notice at the bottom of the display it says 20 kilohertz, which is the switching frequency, sure enough, of this control board. So everything's working out right, and I'll turn it lower and turn it off, and it'll go flat. Anyway, so it appears to be working just great. The scope is actually sitting in the place of a motor, and so when you get it, all you should really have to do is to take the red and black and go to the battery, the blue and yellow, and go to the motor. Again, the yellow is positive, the blue is negative for the motor. That's it.